The wait is over. I finally got my Ruroc 3.0 liquid carbon. About to open it. I know there's already a lot of videos about it, but this is my review, how we're gonna see it. It's gonna be my first Ruroc. So let's go with the intro. Alright guys, so I've been waiting for this since the release. They had it in March 25th and I finally got it today on June 28th, the day before my birthday. So I guess happy birthday, early birthday for me. So let's get this sucker open, get this tape open, you know. Let's fold that back up. And everybody knows how they gonna reveal this box. Put on this one in here. Oh, and the engine hop. Heck yeah. I'm ready to buy that Wrath one with that 50 cal. So I'll be getting that one too. Checking this. Kind of takes the surprise away, even though I've seen everybody's videos on it. I'm still kind of excited. Alright, so everybody knows about this one. It reveals some stickers on it and the instructions that you can put on your helmet or your bike. Real nice. This is 3.0 Atlas. It's instructions. Sometimes we don't even use the instructions. Alright. Okay, the moment we've been waiting for. Ooh, they gave me my shirt, the free shirt, the free founder shirt. I wish they had one more X on that one. No, just kidding. And then, let's see. What is this? Yeah. What? Oh, this is the flag. They said they were gonna give us some extra stuff for waiting this long. More stickers. Ruroc. What is this? The banner. Oh, the face mask. Badass. You could wear it which your helmet too if you want, or especially in the winter. I'll say the winter would be the best time for that. And your helmet will slip in perfect. And then the badge, you could put on your vest, jacket. Be nice. The leotard. Three keys. I might use this now because I need a new one. This has got to be that flag. Oh shit. Yeah. This one I guess for those extra gift things they say for the pushback. This has got to be my chrome one, I believe. Yep. So this is my chrome one. Probably gonna constantly keep wearing that one. Well, they recommend not to wear it at night. Of course, my cam mount. I got the cam mount for it. because my old helmet I might not use anymore, but I might end up keeping it just for recording. Here's the bad boy. I'm gonna wait. This is the pin lock. I didn't know if it came with it or not. I didn't want to risk it, so I just went ahead and bought another one, especially for the winter, because I hate my breathing the smoke. It's got to be yeah, because they already gave me my chrome one on separate that I pay extra for. And that's pretty much it in the box. So let's do these. Everybody was seeing it, what everybody's waiting for, but what I've been waiting for to see the person myself. Yeah, buddy. I went straight here because a lot of people had complaints about the scratches they were getting, but it's part of the mishandling from the shipping. But yeah, man, the liquid carbon. So the reason I got this one too, because I'm actually planning to put some carbon fiber looking parts on my bike, so I wanted something already match. This helmet looks so awesome. My first Ruroc, I always wanted to get one, but never was able to constantly. You know, I ain't gonna lie, I've been riding only for 2 years now, but so that's where the shockwave goes. I'm really excited about this thing. You just pull and yeah, off. You still gotta adjust it depending on how your head fits. I know everybody's saying it's hard to snuggle in there. And you know what? I should do that right now. Let's see. My big old head is actually gonna fit in this 2X. And let's take this plastic cover off. Stick to the cover. See? Wow. Put some lighting on it. Look at that. Beautiful. You know, it cost me a grip, a lot of money, but I'm gonna be excited using it, especially when my bike is done and ready to be riding on. Alright. Sorry about the mess. Of our little controllers there. I should be using. So let's put this sucker on, see how it goes. And this is width. There you go. Alright. Finally my head's in. Oh no. Alright, so I'm gonna put this chrome on around. Look at that. I could see why they say just wear it in daytime, because a lot of reflecting. But I'm gonna put this one on. So it was my first time taking this thing off. See how this works. Go shoot. Kind of go gentle on it because I'm kind of worried break anything. Just pop it out like that. And put this on. that. Test to the right angle is pretty hard. Use that hole there. There we go. Look at that. Really nice. That chrome. Gonna put this helmet on. So it's gonna look a little tight still. A little tight in there. Kind of lock. There you go. There you go. Shopping. Yeah, I'm just gonna get used to it, but hopefully it comes out all good after that. Just waiting for that shockwave to come in. Yeah, real good. So yeah, this is the stuff they gave me. Got the shirt, like keychain, the mask. The instruction kind of. So the only thing I'm just gonna have to wait for is the shockwave. Unfortunately, it says partially delivery because they only sent me the helmet because the shockwave will come in a smaller box and we could do it together. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll give it a review after maybe 3 months how it is. Fortunately, like, it's a new helmet, literally a whole new helmet, but it's a little tighter for my head for the size already it is to 2X, but for some other people, of course, it'll be a lot better. It's a really great looking helmet. Hopefully I'm not disappointed, but I did wait forever for it. Hopefully Ruroc don't get upset for me saying this, but yeah, like, you know, I understand they're trying to get everything right. You know, they're I think they had the issue with the paddings of the paddings of the helmets. I guess they weren't getting the right ones, so they had to redo another one and all that, and it makes sense, you know. And I'm just gonna wait for the shockwave to show up, hopefully, and if not, you know, of course I have to call, but that's pretty much it. As well, I got things coming up. Right now, I got my bike. We're putting new handlebars on that. I'm gonna make another video about that. Maybe I'm gonna try my best to see if I could get people to let me, you know, test, you know, demo some bikes and stuff, and you know, I have to kind of do more videos. Plus, it kind of sucks right now. I'm going through the new job and gotta make sure I make content. But just keep watching. You know, appreciate it. Hit that like and subscribe. Let everybody know. You know, I barely started writing for 2 years, and I'm just trying to show my perspective of what I do, and I got a lot more things coming up. So keep watching those videos, hit those likes, give me those comments. I don't care, y'all give me negative comments because I'm used to it. I don't care, but that does help me kind of do what I can do better. But yeah, just keep watching and see what's more coming up. And thank you, and keep on watching. Okay, so finally I got the shockwave. It finally came in. Ruroc actually sent them the paperwork for the customs. Thanks for them to send me that form filled. Fortunately, that will be happening to everybody in the U.S. And I heard worse on for Canada. So let's open this sucker up. Okay. So of course, it's the shockwave right here with my carbon liquid helmet. So let's open this up. And it comes with a little packing also, the connections. So finally the wait is over. Finally got it. Let's see. And this is the charging connection. This is a little booklet, the Alice on it. So I will show you how to do the install of it and everything. That goes in here. Thank God it's magnetic also connected in here. You know, be plain and simple, but yeah, I'm really hoping it's worth the wait, since some of the other videos I already saw the reviews of, and I'm looking forward for it and see how this goes. But those be the end of this video about me opening the package and y'all to see how beautiful this helmet is. I got the chrome lens. I finally got my shockwave. Came a few days later after I got the helmet. And got any questions, go ahead and comment on me, and I'll answer them. And as well, I'm getting my bike up and running since I finally got my new bars on them with Lucky Dave. So that will be another video about it as well. And you know, go ahead and hit that, you know, that like and subscribe, and you know, keep more videos coming up. Thank you.